Welcome. If you're looking for the easiest way to upload a photo to Google Drive using your phone, you're in the right place. Today, I'll guide you through the updated steps so you can store and share your favorite images quickly and securely. Start by opening the Google Drive app on your device. If you haven't already signed in, make sure you're logged into your Google account. Once you're inside the app, look to the bottom right corner of your screen and tap on the Files tab. This will show you all your current Drive files and folders, making it easy to stay organized. Next, spot the plus icon, a circle with a plus sign, usually found at the bottom right. Tap this plus icon to bring up a menu of options. From here, select Upload. You'll now be prompted to choose the type of file you want to upload. Tap on Photos and Videos or simply Photo, depending on your device. Now, browse through your photo gallery and find the image you wish to upload. If you want to upload several pictures at once, just tap and hold on one photo, then tap on any others you'd like to include. Once you've selected your images, tap Open or Upload, and your photos will begin transferring to Google Drive. Keep an eye on the small progress bar that appears in the bottom right corner of your screen. This shows you how much longer the upload will take. Once it's finished, your photo is safely stored in Drive. To find your uploaded photo, you can check the Recent Files section or navigate to the specific folder where you saved it. Tap on the photo to open it, and you'll see a toolbar at the top of the screen. If you want to share your image, tap the Share icon, which looks like a person with a plus sign. This opens the sharing settings, where you can adjust who can view your photo, either by adding people directly or allowing anyone with the link to access it. That's it. You've successfully uploaded and, if needed, shared your photo using Google Drive. Remember these steps for next time, and enjoy the convenience and flexibility of keeping your images safe and accessible from anywhere.